BMW didn't just cross a line, they erased it. This is not a car from next year. This looks like something pulled straight out of the future. At first glance, it doesn't even feel like a BMW, and that's exactly why it's terrifying. This is a super concept inspired by BMW's future design language. And if even a fraction of this becomes real, the entire car industry feels it. Look at the stance. The car sits impossibly low, wide like a fighter jet, sharp like a blade. This doesn't look built, it looks engineered. The body feels alive. Every surface cuts through air. Nothing is smooth for comfort. Everything is shaped for speed. Now look at the front. The kidney grille is still there, but it's no longer friendly. It's illuminated, angled, almost aggressive enough to feel illegal. The headlights are razor thin, not bright, focused, like the car is watching the road and everything on it. Move to the side and it gets even more extreme. Massive air channels carved through the body. The roof looks like a cockpit canopy. This doesn't feel like a road car. It feels like something meant to break records. This is not about luxury. This is about dominance. Now imagine what powers this thing. Not just an engine, not just electric motors, but a system built for instant response. Silent when cruising, explosive when unleashed, torque with no delay, acceleration without drama, speed without mercy. BMW already knows how to build this. They just haven't shown it yet, and that's where things get uncomfortable for everyone else. Because if BMW decides to step into hypercar territory, they don't ask for permission. Ferrari would feel it. Lamborghini would feel it. Even electric hypercars would feel it. This is not about numbers. This is about intent. This concept tells us BMW is thinking beyond sedans, beyond supercars, beyond what we expect them to build. Even if this exact machine never touches the road, the message is clear. BMW is no longer designing for today. They're designing for a future where performance cars are sharper, smarter, and far more extreme than anything we're driving now. And if this is what they're imagining, the future just got very serious.